Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that some buildings around the world are not just tall, they are technological marvels? Today we are exploring the top 10 countries and their most futuristic buildings, where AI automation and smart infrastructure make everyday life extraordinary. Stick around to the end to see which building might be the most advanced in the world. Number 1. United Arab Emirates Burj Khalifa, Dubai. First up is Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa. Beyond being the tallest building on the planet, it's a technological masterpiece. Smart elevators use AI to optimize travel, climate control system adjust automatically, and emergency system are AI monitored for maximum safe. Energy efficiency is boosted through automated lighting and environmental control. Number 2. China Shanghai Tower. Next, Shanghai Tower in China. Not only it's the tallest building in the city, but it's also an eco-friendly skyscraper. It features a double skin and integrated with turbines. AI systems control temperature, lighting and energy efficiency, making it one of the greenest mega structure in the world. The height of this 2073 feet and 128 floors. Tech system is AI energy Number 3. United States One World Trade Center, New York. One World Trade Center in New York is both the tallest and safest skyscraper in the US. It features AI-driven security systems, smart elevators that reduce wait time by 30%, and advanced structural engineering designed to withstand earthquakes. The height of this 1,776 feet and AI security and monitoring system. Number 4. Abraj Al Bayt Clock Tower in Saudi Arabia. The Abraj Al Bayt Clock Tower in Mecca is not just about height. It's a tech-enabled landmark. Smart elevator, energy-efficient lighting, and high-speed communication system make this building stand out as a futuristic marvel. The height of this 1,972 feet and 120 floors on Aho. Number 5. Taiwan Taipei 101. Taipei 101 in Taiwan is famous for earthquake resistance. Its turned mass damper stabilizes the building during high winds and seismic events. AI sensor constantly monitors structural vibrations and automatically adjust systems for safety and comfort. The height of this 1,667 feet and 101 floors on. Number 6. Malaysia Petronas Towers, Kuala Lumpur. The Petronas Tower in Kuala Lumpur are Malaysia's iconic twin skyscraper. They feature smart elevators, automated energy systems, and an advanced sky bridge design, combining high-tech features with architectural elegance. The height of this 1,483 feet and 88 floors on Petronas Towers. Number 7. Japan Abno Harcus, Osaka. Abno Harcus in Osaka is Japan's tallest building. It features AI-powered elevators, advanced seismic technology, and earthquake-resistant construction, perfectly blending safety with futuristic design. The height of this 984 feet and 60 floors. Number 8. Lakta Center. Lakta Center is the tallest building of Russia, featuring energy-efficient systems and smart security technology. Its innovative design integrates sustainability and modern architecture. The height of this 1,516 feet and 87 floors. Number 9. India. The Imperial Mumbai. The Imperial in Mumbai is India's tallest residential skyscraper, featuring automated elevator and eco-friendly systems. It combines luxury living with advanced technology to enhance efficiency and sustainability. The height of this 833 feet and 60 floors in the Imperial Mumbai. So those are the top 10 countries and their most futuristic building. Which building amazed you the most? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss the future tech updates. Goodbye.